I'm Peggy Doors and I'm from Burlington, and I am, one of the ways that I'm impacted by what's going on is in healthcare. And I have Medicare. I mean, actually I had great healthcare when I had Vermont healthcare. The VSAC was good, what was it called? VHAP was really good. And then I got onto Medicare where I have to pay, and I have very, very little income, very minimal, but and I don't know, and I'm putting off going because I should be dealing with certain issues and maybe a hysterectomy, but I'm waiting till I can be sure I have enough coverage, because even if it's only 20%, if you have as little money as I do, to try to pay 20% of a hospital bill is a lot of money, and I can't do it. So I could be injuring my health because of that, and I know, I'm not as bad off as a whole lot of other people, but I know that, it's just awful that, we can spend trillions on war, we can have a Pentagon that even Donald Rumsfeld gets up and tells us they can't account for $2.7 trillion, and nobody pays any attention to that. But oh boy, if somebody wants to have health care, it's a big deal, so it's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous to be taking all this money to kill people and to kill the planet. It's just insane, and it's an insanity that has to stop.